What a weekend of weather, and even as the storm exited, those north winds buffeting the region with blowing snow, and our icy roads caused travel throughout, and even places that didn't get the deeper snow down by the South Dakota border were impacted by terrible roads. Now we're going to have a little bit of recovery time, but we're watching yet another system, and this system will be huge. It's going to be a big storm, but the brunt of it is likely going to miss us to the south. We're on the northern fringes of it the way it looks now. Its track will be ever so important. And let's go ahead and look at the old American models version of this forecast. And models don't agree on every detail yet. There's a lot to learn, but we'll keep you updated right here. And on the Valley News Live weather app, it's the best tool to keep you ahead of the storm. We have forecast videos, short ones, on different subjects that are going to be impactful to you. There's the storm system. It's way out in the west coast. As we go into Wednesday, leaps over the Rockies late Wednesday night. It begins with impacts here. Some mixed precipitation ahead of the storm, turning to snow out west. And then it's on as we go into Thursday. Now notice a little brief shot of snow while the main event happened Omaha to Minneapolis and heads into the Great Lakes. We'll have this, what we call an inverted trough up here, and that could cause a prolonged period of snow that lasts not only from late Wednesday night, but through Thursday and into Friday and maybe even into Saturday too. Looks like it'll impact our southern and eastern counties the most, but all of us will have more wind, more icy travel. Here it is right now. This, satellite and radar is showing off the west coast of California. Isn't even on the lower 48, well, yet, but we'll keep our eyes on it for you. 16 Hallock right now, 18 in Jamestown. A lot of snow along that Highway 2 corridor with a foot in Grand Forks, several inches in Jamestown, 7 inches, 10 inches Detroit Lakes and points north. Warming up though into those, well, 25 to 30 degree temperatures in the pine trees of Minnesota. That sunshine makes a big difference. Quiet right now, but because we have clear skies, we'll cool off fairly quickly. Some of us could dip down close to zero briefly, and then the wind picks up again overnight. So by 11 o'clock tonight, we're going to have a light wind. We'll have mostly clear skies, except in the areas of light wind, and because of the sun today, we could have some areas of patchy, dense fog to be concerned about. We'll keep our eyes on that for you. South winds that will increase overnight. Temperatures could increase in a few locations as well. We'll be near 5 to 10 degrees to start your morning. This is 3:05 in the morning. After we get past that and you've done walking your mule there, then things look a little bit breezier for the morning commute. Gusty winds with our snow, even though it's thick and pretty wet, will keep roads very icy, so keep that in mind. And it blows all day from the south. Temperatures look nice. It's going to be a wind chilly day with icy travel conditions for many of us. Then late, watch this, a weather wiggle comes out of the upper left-hand corner of the screen after dinner time. So after 7 o'clock, it begins to impact our northern counties with a splash of snow. That's about it. 9 in Fargo in the morning. Temperatures on the rise. The wind blows and the snow goes over the road, and well, it's going to cause some icy conditions. Temperatures in the 25 to 30 degree range with gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour out of the south, particularly along the I-94 corridor that's been so icy from Rothsay, Fargo, and points west. That's going to continue to be an issue. In southeast North Dakota, I expect more icy roads as well as the Northland. Quiet Wednesday, but warmer. A pleasant day ahead of the next system. Thursday in particular will be a little tricky with gusty north winds and continued flakes right into possibly your Saturday morning. We'll keep you posted on those first alert weather days. Stacy, after that, check this out. You know, we weren't brave enough to put a 40 in there, but there's another storm system the middle of next week, Wednesday through Friday, that we've got our eyes on. That's way too far out to get specific on, but we have found ourselves in a March that has just continued to roar like a lion that forgot to get breakfast.
Yeah.
Just like
well
that.
Said.
Yeah.
We're due some good stuff.
Yeah, we can hopefully see that week of summer in June will be nice.
Yeah, the 1 week we get. Thanks, Hutch.